Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning. Can I get your resume?
Yes, ma'am.
Your name?
Sindhu Priya, ma'am.
Okay, how are you, Sindhupriya?
Good, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm fine, thank you. Okay, introduce yourself, Sindhuja.
Okay, ma'am. My full name is Sindhu Priya Bhattu. I am from Warangal district and I am currently living in Hyderabad. And coming to my educational background, I did my graduation in BSc from Kakatiya University. And coming to my hobbies are doing meditation and listening music. My strengths are I am a self motivator, positive thinker, interest to learning new things, and my short term goal is to get a job in reputed company, and my long term goal is to get a job where I can build my career and help to the organization too. I have a good knowledge in Java, and that's all about myself, and thank you for giving me this opportunity to introducing myself.
Okay. Yeah, okay, Sindhu, what are your technical skills?
Core Java, man.
Core Java. Okay. Okay, Sindhu, what is interface?
Okay, ma'am. Interface means any service requirement specification or 100% abstract classes or any contact between client and service. This is nothing but interface.
Okay, what is synchronization?
Synchronization, it is a modifier. It is applicable for blocks and methods. We are declare a method or block as a synchronization. At a time, only one thread will be accessible. The main objective of synchronization modifier is a data inconsistency problem resolve.
Okay, what is overriding?
Overriding means parent class methods by default available to the child class. If child class not satisfied with parent class implementation, then child class reassign that requirements based on its requirements. This is nothing but overriding.
Okay. Okay, Sindhu, what is finally?
Finally, it is a keyword. It is applicable for class, variable, and methods. If we are creating a class with final keyword, then we can access the class within the class. Whenever we are declare a variable as a finally, then we cannot reassign that variable. Whenever we are create a method as a finally, then we can't override that method.
Okay. Okay, Sindhu, what is multitasking?
Multitasking means executing several tasks simultaneously. It's called multitasking. There are two types of multitasking. First one is process based multitasking, and second one is thread based multitasking. Process based multitasking means it executing several tasks simultaneously where each task is separate and independent process. This is nothing but process based multitasking. And thread based multitasking means it is also executing several tasks simultaneously where each task is separate and independent part of the same program is called thread based multitasking.
Okay. Okay, Sindhu, what is thread and default thread name?
Okay, ma'am. Thread means it is a lightweight process and it performs specific task. This is nothing but thread. The default thread name is main.
Okay. Okay, Sindhu, what is exception?
Exception means when unwanted and unexpected event that disturb normal flow of the program. This is called exception. Exceptions are two types. One is checked exception and another one is unchecked exception. Checked exception means the exception which are checked by the compiler for the smooth execution of a program. This is called checked exception. Unchecked exception means the exception which are unchecked by the compiler.
Okay. What is green thread?
Green thread means the threads which are completely managed by the JVM. It's called green thread.
Okay. What is collection?
Collection, if you want to represent a group of individual objects as a single entity, then we should go for collection. Collections are introduced in 1.2 version. We can insert homogeneous and heterogeneous objects in collections. Memory point of view, it is recommended to use.
Okay. What is wrapper class?
A class in Java that provides mechanism to convert primitive into object and object into primitive, that is nothing but wrapper class.
Okay, Sindhu, what is native modifier?
Native, it is a modifier. It is applicable for methods. The methods which are implemented in non-Java language like C, C++, we can call that native methods. The main objective of native method is to improve performance of the system.
Okay. What is yield, join, and sleep?
Yield method means to stop current execution of a thread to give some chance to the other thread is nothing but yield method. And join means if a thread want to wait until completing other thread, then we should go for join method. Sleep method means if a thread don't want any operation particular of amount, this is nothing but sleep method.
Okay. Okay, Sindhu, good. We will conduct you the next round of interview. Prepare for the HR round. Okay. So
Okay,
you
ma'am.
will get a call from our HR. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.